Yes, good morning, Nana. Integration 1.2 continuations problems. Okay, shall I start now? Okay. Now you have to find the substitution method. Integral of cos x by 1 plus sin x whole square dx. Take that 1 plus sin x as t. Let 1 plus sin x equal to t. Differentiate it. 1 derivative 0. Sin x derivative is cos x, dx equal to dt. Then cos x dx equal to dt. Therefore, integral of cos x by 1 plus sin x whole square dx. This is integral of 1 by t square. In place of 1 plus sin x, you have to substitute the t. Then this becomes the 1 by t square. Cos x into dx is what? Dt. We know the formula integral of x power n. Integral of x power n is what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So plus c, that is t power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Minus 2 plus 1 is the minus 1. So this value is minus 1 by t plus c. What is the t value here? 1 plus sin x. Substitute in this case. 1 plus sin x plus c is the answer. Copy it. Coming to second bit. Sin of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. They ask me. Which value you have to take the t? We get the standard form. You can think it. Come on, tell. So in place of, in the angle, what is it now? Very good. In the angle you have tan inverse x is there. So tan inverse x equal to t. So differentiate it. What is tan inverse x derivative? 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to dt will get. Then this becomes the integral of sin of tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x square dx. This is the integral of sin t. Dx by 1 plus square is dt. Integral of sin is what? Minus cos t. Very good. Plus c. That is the minus cos of t, nothing but tan inverse x plus c. Copy it. Next question. Third bit. Integral of secant square x by 1 plus tan x whole square dx. So you can take 1 plus tan x derivative is what? Secant square x. So secant 1 plus tan x derivative is secant square x. Numerator it is there. So take the 1 plus tan x equal to t. You have to differentiate it. 1 derivative 0, tan x derivative is secant square x. Dx equal to dt. Secant square x dx equal to dt. Then this becomes a 1 by 1 plus tan x is the t square. Secant square x into dt, dx is dt. That is integral of t power minus 2 dt. That is equal to t power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Minus 2 plus 1 is the minus 1. That becomes a minus 1 by t plus c. What is the t value have? 1 plus tan x. That is the minus 1 by 1 plus tan x plus c is the answer. Copy it. Next question. Integral of log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x. What is derivative of log x? 1 by x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Take the log of 1 plus x as t. You have to differentiate it. Is a 1 by 1 plus x. X derivative dx equal to dt here. So this becomes the integral of log of 1 plus x into dx by 1 plus x. This is the log of 1 plus x, is taken t. Dx by 1 plus x is the dt. What is integral of x? X square by 2. So this t square by 2 means t power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. That is t square by 2. What is the value of t here? Log of 1 plus x whole square by 2 plus c. That is the answer. Copy it. Now coming to fifth bit, integral of 1 by root of 1 sin inverse x into root of 1 minus x square. What is derivative of sin inverse x? Derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. That is the remaining fraction. So take the sin inverse x as t. Sin inverse x equal to t. You have to differentiate it. What is sin inverse x equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx equal to dt will get. Then this is a 1 by root of sin inverse x into 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. So this is a 1 by root t. 1 by root of 1 minus square dx value is dt. This taking numerator, that is becomes a t power minus 1 by 2 dt. What is integral of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. We get reciprocal 2 into t power 1 by 2. Sorry. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So 2 into t power 1 by 2 plus c. What is the value of t? Sin inverse x. 2 sin inverse x whole power 1 by 2 plus c. Denominator 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 goes to denominator, that becomes a 2. T power 1 by 2 you have. T means what? Sin inverse x. Copy it. Sixth one. These type of problems are most important. I will explain sixth and remaining all models are one type. Sixth one, x square by root of 1 minus x power 6 dx. These type of problems are most important for 2 marks. In the second exercise, the models you have 2, 3, 4 problems. Those are all problems I will explain now. See, x square by root of 1 minus x power 6. In the x power 6, what is the half of the value have? X cube. If we take the x cube equal to t, x cube equal to t. Since the numerator is the second degree, so numerator second degree means third degree derivative is the second degree. So you have to convert x cube equal to t, you can take it. In the 6, half of the value is 3. So take the x cube equal to t. You have to differentiate 3x square x derivative dx equal to dt. Then x square dx equal to dt by 3. Then this is the integral of 1 by root of 1 minus x cube whole square into x square dx equal to 1 by root of 1 minus t square. X square into dx is dt by 3. 1 by 3 into integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square is sin inverse x. Sin inverse t plus c. What is the t value have? X cube. So 1 by 3 into sin inverse of x cube plus c. Copy it. Same model, 6th question, 7th bit. Integral of x power 8 by 1 plus x power 18 dx. Integral of x power 8 by 1 plus x power 18 dx. In the denominator, x power 18. Numerator, x power 8. X power 8 means the derivative of x power 9 is in terms of x power 8. So x power 18. 18 the 18 half of the value is 9. Take the x power 9 equal to t. You have to differentiate it. 9 into x power 9 minus 1 means 8 dx equal to dt. So x power 8 dx equal to dt by 9. Then this becomes the x power 8 by 1 plus x power 18 is x power 9 whole square dx. That equal to 1 by 1 plus t square dt by 9. That equal to 1 by 9 into integral 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. So tan inverse t plus c. What is the t value have? X power 9. That is 1 by 9 into tan inverse of x power 9 plus c is the answer. Copy it. The same model we have one more. 6th question, 5th bit. Integral 3x square by 1 plus x power 6 dx. 3x square by 1 plus x power 6 dx. In the denominator x power 6 but numerator x 3x square. In the 6, what is the half of the value have? 3. Very good. So take the x cube equal to t. Let x cube equal to t. You have to differentiate it. 3x square dx equal to dt. Then x square dx equal to dt by 3. X square dx equal to divided by 3. Otherwise, numerator 3x square dx only have. So directly you can substitute in place of 3x square dx value. Not necessary to find the x square dx. So this can be done as 1 by 1 plus x power 6. I will write x cube whole square 3x square dx. So this is the 1 by 1 plus t square. 3x square dx is dt here. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. So tan inverse of t plus c. What is the value of t? X cube. That is tan inverse of x cube plus c. Copy it. Same 6th question, 6th bit, same model. Integral of 2x cube by 1 plus x power 6 dx. Here, sorry once again, x power 8 denominator x power 8, not x power 6. So same model. In the x power 8, what is half of the value? X power 4. Take the x power 4 equal to t. You can differentiate it. X power 4 derivative. What is derivative of x power n? 4x cube into x divided dx equal to dt. But in the given 2x cube, so you have to find the x cube dx. X cube dx equal to dt by 4. Therefore, 2 take outside. 1 by 1 plus x power 4 whole square into x cube dx. So this is the 2 times of integral 1 by 1 plus x power 4 is what? T. T square into dt by 4. Denominator 4 take outside. 2, that becomes a 2 by 4 into this is the value of 2 by 4 into integral of 1 by 1 plus t square dt. What is integral of 1 by 1 plus square? Tan inverse x. So that is a 1 by 2 into tan inverse of t plus c. What is the t value have? T is a x power 4. Very good. 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x power 4 plus c is the answer. These models, I think everyone can understand. Next model, copy these problems. Coming to next question. Integral of cosecant square x by a plus b cot x whole power 5. Take this a plus b cot x as t. You have to differentiate it. A derivative 0 plus b into cot x derivative is minus cosecant square x. X derivative dx equal to dt. Plus into minus b. Minus b, bring the right hand side. Cosecant square x dx equal to dt by minus b. Then that becomes the integral of, this becomes the integral of 1 by a plus b cot x whole power 5. A plus b cot x whole power 5 into cosecant square x dx. You have taken a plus b cot x value is t, so t power 5. Cosecant square x into dx value got it. Minus dt by b how? Minus dt by b. Minus 1 by b take outside. This becomes a 1 by t power 5 means t power minus 5 dt. What is the integral of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is a minus 1 by b into t power minus 5 plus 1 by minus 5 plus 1 plus c. Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. So this becomes a 1 by 4b into 1 by t power 4 d plus c. What is the value of t? A plus b cot x. So that is a 1 by 4b into 1 by a plus b cot x whole power 4. Plus c how? Copy it. Next question. Take the cos theta as t. Let cos theta equal to t. What is derivative of cos? Minus sin theta d theta equal to dt. Number sin theta d theta is there, so minus bring the right hand side. Then sin theta d theta equal to minus dt how? Therefore integral of 1 by root of 2 minus cos square theta into sin theta d theta. So this is the 1 by root of 2 minus, what is the cos theta value how? T square into minus dt. Minus we can write outside. 1 by root of 2 nothing but root 2 whole square minus t square. This is in the form of 1 by a square minus x square. Integral of 1 by a root of a square minus x square dx. That is the value is sin inverse of x by a plus c. The value is sin inverse of x by a. A is the real number, x is the variable. Now coming to in the given integral, t is the variable, root t is the constant. So this becomes a minus sin inverse of, in place of x you have t, in place of a you have root 2 plus c. What is the value of t? Cos theta. That is a minus sin inverse of cos theta by root 2 plus c. Copy it. Coming to sixth question. Integral of 1 by 1 plus 4x square. We know the formula integral of 1 by a square plus x square. A is a real number, x is a variable. A square plus square formula is 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. Okay, Nana? In case if there is anything x quotient is there, that previously will come. This can be written as integral of 1 by 1 plus 2x whole square dx. A is the 1 square, x is the 2x. So x quotient you have 2 is there, so that becomes a 1 by 2 into, you can have to apply the formula. What is the one formula? 1 by a. 1 by a means 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. 2x by 1 plus c. Here it taken x quotient is 2. That is the reason you write written outside. If x quotient is 1 is there, not necessary to write anything outside. So this is the 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2x plus c. Now coming to, from these two terms 2 it is possible to take common. So 1 by 2 you have to write 1 by 4, 2 4s are 2 1s are x square dx. This is the integral of 1 by 2 into integral of 1 by 4 nothing but 2 square plus x square dx. What is the 1 by a square plus square formula? 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a, x by 2 plus c. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. Copy it. We had the formula integral of 1 by root of x square minus 1 dx is cos h inverse x plus c. 1 by root of x square minus 1 is cos h inverse x plus c. Here x square quotient 9 is there, 9 take common. So integral of 3 by root of 9 you have to take outside, x square minus 1 by 9 will get dx. 1 is the 9 is not there, so 1 by 9 will come. Root 9 means 3. 3 by root of 3 into root of x square. 1 by 9 can be written as 1 by 3 square dx. 3 get cancelled. Then it is in the form of 1 by root of x square minus 1. What is x square minus 1 formula? X square minus a square. If you take x square minus a square, then cos h inverse of x by a is the formula. 1 by root of x square minus a square formula, cos h inverse of x by a. So cos h inverse of x is x, a is what? 1 by 3 plus c. 3 goes to numerator, that becomes a cos h inverse of 3x by 1 is 3x plus c. Copy it. Second bit. Root of 1 minus 4x square dx. What is x square quotient have? 4. 4 taking common. Root of 4 common, 1 minus 1 by 4 minus x square. Root 4 means 2, 1 by 2 into integral of 1 by root of 1 by 4 can be as 1 by 2 whole square minus x square dx. What is integral of 1 by root of a square minus x square? A square minus x square dx is sine inverse of x by a plus c. 1 by root of a square minus x square dx formula. What is the formula I have? Sine inverse of x by a. So this is the 1 by 2 into sine inverse of x by a, x by 1 by 2 plus c. That becomes the 1 by 2 means 2x. That becomes the 1 by 2 into sine inverse of 2x plus c is the answer. Copy it. Already we discussed the 6th question, 5th bit, 6th bit, 7th bit. Now 8th bit. Integral of 1 by 1 plus 2x plus 1 whole square. We know the formula integral of 1 by 1 plus x square dx. E tan inverse x plus c. But in place of x you have 2x plus 1. Take the 2x plus 1 as t. Differentiate it. 2 dx equal to dt. Then this becomes a dx equal to dt by 2. Therefore, integral of 1 by 1 plus 2x plus 1 whole square dx equal to integral of 1 by 1 plus t square. Dx value is what? dt by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square formula tan inverse x. So tan inverse of t plus c. That is 1 by 2 into tan inverse of. What is the value of t have? 2x plus 1 plus c. Next bit, 9th one. Integral of 1 by root of a minus of a square minus of b plus cx whole square dx. 1 by root of a square minus of b plus cx whole square. Take the b plus cx equal to t. Take b plus cx equal to d. You have to differentiate it. Derivative of constant is 0 plus c into x derivative dx equal to dt. And then dx equal to dt by c. Substitute in this case 1 by root of a square minus b plus cx is t square into dt by c. 1 by c can write to outside. Integral 1 by root of a square minus d square dt. What is the 1 by root of a square minus x square formula? Sin inverse of x by a. So this is the 1 by t c into sin inverse of x by a means t by a plus c. What is the value of t? B plus cx. Substitute in this case 1 by c into sin inverse of b plus cx by a plus c. Copy it. Tenth bit. Dx by ax square plus b plus cx. Dx by a plus b plus c whole square. A square plus b plus cx. We know the integral 1 by a square plus x square formula. What is the formula I have? 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. So take the b plus cx equal to t, same as. Now take b plus cx equal to t. Differentiate it. B derivative 0 plus c into x derivative 1 dx equal to dt. Then obviously dx equal to dt by c. That becomes the integral of 1 by a square plus b plus cx whole square dx. This becomes the integral of 1 by a square plus t square. What is dx value have? dt by c. The 1 by c into integral 1 by a square plus x square is 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a at t by a plus c. That equal to 1 by ac into tan inverse of, what is the value of t have? b plus cx by a plus c is the answer. Copy it. Next, coming to next question. We know the formula integral of root of a square minus x square formula. What is the formula here? X by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus c. Integral of root of a square minus x square dx formula is, what is the formula? Integral of root of a square minus x square formula, again I am repeating, root of a square minus x square dx equal to x by 2 into root of a square minus square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus c. Now, in the formula x square quotient 1 we have. X square quotient is 1. But here x square quotient 25. Convert it into standard form. So, inside the square root 25 common. 16 is a 16 by 25 minus x square dx. Root 25 means 5. 5 take outside, 5 into root of 4 by 5 whole square minus x square dx. So it is in the form of integral of root of a square minus x square. What is a square minus x square dx? x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. A is the 4 by 5, substitute in the formula 5 into, substitute in the formula x by 2 means x by 2 into root of a square minus the square 4 by 5 whole square minus x square plus a square by 2, that is a 4 by 5 whole square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a, sin inverse of x by 4 by 5 plus c. So this is the 5 into x by 2 into root of 16 by 25 minus x square. LCM we have take 16 minus 25 x square by 25. 4 by 5 whole square means 16 by 25 by 2. That is 16 by 2 into 25. Sin inverse of 5x by 4 plus c. 5 multiply inside. This root 25 becomes a 5. 5 into x by 2 into 5 into root of 16 minus 25 x square plus 2 8 are 8 by 25 into sin inverse of 5x by 4 plus c. Now cancel it, 5 cancel, 2 to 4. So x by 2 into root of 16 minus 25 x square plus 8 by 25 into sin inverse of 5x by 4 plus c is the answer. Copy it.